everybody. I'm Abigail and I am glad to meet you on this episode. Today I am going to talk about being yourself. What does being yourself mean? Is it being lazy or living life the way I want? Being yourself is more about respecting ourselves, setting values, and running on the path to success. In life, people can offend us, tease us, or even our own thoughts can pull us down to the point of giving up. At such moments, we think it is better to be like somebody else who often seem more successful. Most of us would look up to a celebrity, maybe movie star, musician, or even a sports star. We even desire to be like the handsome men with toned muscles or pretty women with sleek bodies. We also have friends who are more influential and strong. Our identity is set by getting acquainted with a group who are the trendsetters for the whole class. We feel intimidated by more influential people and we tag ourselves as nobody when we fail to become like them. When we feel low in life, we look up to our friends who seem happy and want to be like them. We think everything is perfect in their lives. And we sometimes try to change our identity to fit in it. Some of us may even try to imitate famous personalities. I do not mean we should not look for role models. Our focus is on what happens when we are not ourselves, but try to be somebody to be accepted. Let's watch this video to understand what it looks like to be somebody else. Did you notice how tired and frustrated the girl became by imitating people who came her way? Have you felt the same at some point in your life? Trying to be like somebody else will make you tired. It requires more effort and energy. Imitating someone will destroy your uniqueness and personality. It will make you hate yourself. But when you are yourself, you will only make efforts to refine yourself. It will not burden you, but it will make you better. You do not have to disapprove of others because they look beautiful or stylish or more influential than you. Just appreciate their personality. You are unique in your way and they are unique in theirs. There will be silent people who admire you without your knowledge. The people you look up to might be admiring you too. When you accept yourself, you spread charm around you. Your confidence boosts up. People around you experience the change within you. But when you try to imitate others, you get weighed down emotionally and your face becomes downcast. Who you are on the inside matters more than your looks. The sports star or the celebrity you admire became who they are because of their hard work, perseverance, and because of their not giving up attitude. Imagine if they tried to imitate others. They would not be where they are today. You are young, bold, smart, and have a whole life ahead of you to be conquered. Do not stay where you are by imitating others. It's not worth wasting your time. Find your own path in life. Be yourself. You will make a difference. Keep growing to be a better version of yourself. See you in another episode. Till then, goodbye.